Why does your scanner show the P0744 engine code, and what does it mean? The P0744 engine error code stands for the torque converter clutch in circuit intermittent. The P0744 engine error code indicates an intermittent issue with the torque converter clutch circuit in an automatic transmission. This means that the detected lockup of the torque converter is not in sync with the amount required, which is a sign of a malfunction. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: transmission issues, torque converter issues, wiring issues, TCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. It can be found in various vehicle makes and models, but is most commonly associated with Ford, Honda, Toyota, Nissan, and Chevrolet vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.